One of the most common questions I think all of us get, or concerns even, is if a person's on our product for a month and they'll say, I don't feel anything. How do we address that? And what is your advice to people?
Oh, yes, I get that all the time. So, first and foremost, you don't feel wellness, you feel illness. You feel the body breaking down. The body is signaling to you so you know things aren't right. When you're feeling well, you just feel well, right? Now, if your body's been breaking down and breaking down and breaking down, and all of a sudden you're going to be taking something to help change that situation, I'll be honest with you, it is not going to turn over overnight. We are not a pharmaceutical product where I have pain today, I take this pill today, and the pain's gone because it shut off that pathway. That's not what we do. What our products are intended to do is to give the body back what it needs to activate the proper processes. So when they're not feeling anything, in a month, I can guarantee whatever was wrong with them or whatever issues that they've had, it didn't happen overnight. They may think it did, but it's been building over time and over time and over time, and other things may have been happening. The other thing is, a lot of times when people start taking our products, there may be things that are improving that they weren't focused on or thinking about. They've got that one thing, that one issue they're thinking about. Oh, I've got this really terrible headache. Well, I'm still having my headache, but oh my goodness, so didn't even pay attention. All of a sudden, my hands are working, and all of a sudden, my back isn't hurting. And I mean, it's funny when things aren't hurting and when things aren't not working right, we don't pay a lot of attention to them. And so, what I ask people up front most of the time is, what are you hoping to accomplish when you're taking these products? I want to set realistic expectations because I can tell you, if your arm is cut off, you're not growing a new arm. Okay. Our goal is to optimize what you have to operate in the best ability that it can for as long as it can. And that's called healthy longevity, which is basically the definition of where we're trying to be.